Hello everybody, it's Pixel, and with May the 4th being tomorrow, I thought it would be appropriate to make a copycat recipe of Burger King's new Bounty Burger, in honor of the Mandalorian movie coming out, which I'm excited to pretty much go see and hope that they didn't mess it up. Anyways, for this I'm going to need one beef patty, going to need 2 to 3 pieces of bacon, which I've already cooked, slice of tomato, a hamburger bun with sesame seeds on it, a piece of lettuce, not iceberg, a nice piece or two of Swiss cheese, barbecue of your choice. They, of course, have Bounty barbecue. I tried to look up how to make it. I could not find that. I'm going to be using Sweet Baby Ray's, one of my favorites. And, of course, the fun part, fried pickles. That's a whole tiny separate recipe on its own, but for that you're going to need probably about a half a cup of pickles. I got some nice thick ones. Half a bottle of beer with 1 egg, so about 6 ounces of beer. A half a cup and 2 tablespoons of flour. A sprinkle of an all seasoning of your choice. I picked a garlic pepper one. And half a tablespoon of baking powder. You'll also, of course, need a pan that is deep enough to fry in, and probably about a good inch of vegetable oil or frying oil of your choice in it. So, before I can get any more tongue-tied, let's go. And starting this out should be simple. I'm going to take the egg beer mixture, put it into the flour. Mix that together thoroughly. And of course, when that's done, it'll be a nice wet batter. And take your pickles, give them a nice coating in there, and drop them into the oil. You, of course, are going to want to get your hamburgers cooking until they are thoroughly cooked all the way through, or to how you like them. And of course, when the burger's all done to your liking, put the cheese on it, shut off the heat, and let it melt before you take it off out of the pan. Alright, now it is the fun time to assemble our burger, and I thought I would bring in the experts to help me figure out how to do it right. So, with the aid of Grogu, I'm going to be putting down the barbecue on both sides, because there's no other sauces on this. Get that burger we just got done finishing. It's still all ooey gooey. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and put the tomato, the fried pickles, and the bacon on. Last but not least, we've got our lettuce. And I think it's pretty much done. So let's close it on up, try it on out. Alright, burger's done, cut in half. Best part's here, let's try it. This is pretty awesome. I actually wish I could have flame boiled the burgers like Burger King does, but I do what I can. The combination though is amazing. Like fried pickles on with the barbecue and a little bite of bacon in there. You've got smokiness, you've got sweetness. I can't find any criticism with it. I think Grogu and Mandalorian would eat about 10 of these, or maybe just Grogu. You know how he is. So if you have any thoughts, don't have any thoughts, want to use the Force for good or evil, let me know in the comments. And may the 4th always be with you.